What's up, Money Gang? It's your girl Lily, and I'm back with another banger. Tonight, we're doing it a little different. I got some viral TikTok hack snacks. This one kind of old with the jalapeno peppers, the cream cheese, and the Takis. So we got our peppers, got cream Takis, and we got cream cheese. That's the one hack that I'm about to do. And another hack, I'm going to do some pineapples with the chamoy and a tahini. So yeah, I actually had some earlier in here. I had some watermelon with tahini and chamoy. Stay tuned. So first we're gonna cut open our peppers. These are jalapeno peppers. We're gonna cut the top off of them. And we gotta get all that stuff out of there. Well, they hot, y'all. They already burning my hand. So yeah, we're gonna take all the feeling out of it. And I did say this is an old TikTok. You see that pepper empty? An old TikTok hack. An old TikTok viral snack that I've been wanting to try.
Wow.
I've been wanting to try this. I never got a chance to. And I think I did. I don't know if my son tried it. I don't know. But I'm pretty sure he's gonna want to try these too. We're gonna make them with a little twist. So yeah. There you go. All of them are open.
Wow.
Next, we're gonna put some cream cheese in it. It has some chocolate on it from when man probably did that other challenge. So we're gonna fill it, we're gonna stuff it. Should've. So we stuffing it with cream cheese. I'm not gonna eat too much. I'm gonna just put a little bit of cream cheese down in that hole. About that much cream cheese. We're gonna fill all of them. That's why we bought them. I know we're not gonna eat all of them though, y'all. These peppers are hot. So yeah. Fill that hole. So these are the viral jalapeno peppers, cream cheese, and Takis. But we're gonna make ours with a little twist. With a little bit of twist. I ain't gonna put too much out because we is not about to eat all these. So I'll move that out of the way. So I got the 3 jalapeno peppers filled. Shit. Yeah, I'm making a mess already. I'm gonna open the Takis. I'm gonna stick Takis inside of them like this. I'd say about 3 Takis. And bam.
Mmm.
Maybe my son don't want to eat them with me. I guess I'll be eating them by myself. So now we have the 3 Takis and jalapeno peppers TikTok snack that looks like this. I'm making a video now. So guys, we're gonna make these with a little twist. I think I want, yeah, I'm gonna eat this one because no, that's too big for me. Kind of push that down in there a little bit. I'm gonna make mine a little different. Put a little chamoy, and then I'm gonna put some tahini. And bam, there you go. There you got it. So it's a chamoy and tahini, Taki cream cheese type stuff. Let's try it. Oh, it's hot.
Mmm.
You know, it's kind of hot, but it's good. That's one. Next, we're gonna use this cup. Ooh. Next, we're gonna use this cup. We're gonna put some pineapples inside of it. Probably put about 4 pineapples. And then we're gonna put some chamoy on those pineapples. Then we're gonna put some tahini. Some chamoy and some tahini. Bam. Wait a second, let me finish. Shake it up. So this is the pineapples, chamoy, and tahini. And then look at that. See how that looks? Now let's try it. Pineapples, chamoy, and tahini. It's good, y'all. Pineapples with chamoy and tahini. It's so good. Okay, I'm gonna rate both of them. I give this a 10 out of 10. It's so good. Y'all should try it. The pineapples with the chamoy and tahini. The jalapenos with the Takis and the cream cheese. I give that an 8 out of 10. Y'all like, comment, and y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll be back with more videos like this. Peace. I love y'all.